The truth about tithing.
Tithing was an old covenant practice that ended in 70 AD at the coming of the kingdom of God. In the kingdom of God, we gift and give to Jesus Christ out of our abundance, and we give to where we are fed. What ministry or Christian charity feds you spiritually? This is where you gift out of your abundance. Yes, some tell you to give your last penny to get blessed, but this seed faith is backwards. Jesus Christ will bless you when you do the right thing with your finances. And of this abundance you receive from Him, you gift to a ministry you trust. Churches these days seem to be all about collecting money and building buildings. Christianity is about building lives, not building buildings. Jesus does not want you to donate borrowed money. He wants you to give of your abundance from the blessing He has bestowed on you. Giving borrowed money to Jesus is making a gift of money you don't have. Never donate someone else's money. Pay your bills, pay your debts, take care of yourself and your family, save for a rainy day, then give of your surplus. Jesus wants you to learn how to manage your money. Jesus wants you to be out of debt and blessed. Be a generous giver when it's actually your money. Pay everyone you owe totally down to zero. Then, when you are generous, it's with your own money that Jesus has blessed you with.
Please like and subscribe, it helps us out a lot.